Hey guys, what's up? Today we have with us the X6 Mini Portable Projector. Let's see if this is worthy or not. So let's get started. So this is the box that it comes in. It just says mini projector on the side. No brand name, no features, nothing. Let's open this up. You get a thermocol case which holds the contents of the box. This holds the projector as well as the accessories. The accessories include an AV cable for connecting the projector to your television, a remote control to operate it, feels very flimsy and is not well built. Lastly, the charger. This of course powers the projector. The projector looks good at first glance and is not that big either. Underneath it, you get a manual which explains the features and is in English too. So coming back to the projector, it has a lens cover to protect the lens of course. The build quality is not great. For ports, you have an SD card slot, USB port, HDMI port, AV out, headphone jack and a VGA port too. So the connectivity is really good. The projector is made out of plastic and so are the buttons. They feel really cheap to use, but this is what you get for $40. The build material is plastic, but it is not all bad. It is just that it feels cheap. To power it up, connect the power cable and long press the power button. It will power on. I'm gonna connect my external hard drive to play content on this. So I've connected my hard drive and this is how the interface looks. You get a lot of settings to edit the colors and the picture mode. You can edit them and get the perfect looking video. I tend to keep it on default settings. This is the main menu and this is my hard drive. Let's play a movie. Before it starts, I'd like to mention the fan noise. It's a bit high if you sit quite close to it, but if it is further away, it will not be an issue. The image quality that we get is decent. It supports a resolution of 480 by 320, which is quite low, but the overall performance of the projector is decent for the price that it comes at. It is not the best of course, but it is not bad either. If you consider the price which is around $40, the audio quality is not good though, it is quite low, you'll have to connect external speakers to use it. So a good projector for the price point. If you're looking for a cheap alternative to those expensive projectors, this could be the solution, only if you want to save some hard-earned money of course. If you'd like to buy one, head to gabes.com and use the link given below, it helps out the channel. So guys, this is it from the video. Do hit the like and the thumbs up button. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.